guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be showing you guys how I do this no makeup look. If you guys want to see, then keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with my brow actually. And today I will be using Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel Tint. For this type of look, I love this kind of product because it doesn't make it too obvious that you're wearing something on your brows. And the shade that I will be using is dark brown. And while I'm waiting it to dry, I will pop on some primer, and today I will be using Nyx Pore Filler primer. I think that they are dry now, so I'm gonna take just a spoolie and I'm just gonna brush off. And for foundation, I will be using Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. For concealer today, I will be using Maybelline Instant Age Revive in Golden. And then I will set my under eye area with Mercier. I really want to try the nail glow powder. I need to get my hands on that. And then I will just set my mouth area with Wet n Wild Contour Palette. And for my brow, I'm just gonna go on top with NYX Mascara, Tinted Brow Mascara. And then I will define the tail of my brow with Cosluxe Slim Blow Brow. Let's move on to bronzer. I will be using my all-time favorite bronzer from Milani, Big Bronzer. This is in shade Soleil. How did I forget my eyes? Okay, I'm just gonna quickly prime my eyes with Instant Age Revive. And then I will set that with NYX Lingerie Palette in this shade right here. I'm not gonna do eyeshadow. Okay, and now we're gonna use a little bit of mascara, but first I'm just gonna curl that tiny lashes of mine. And then I will go into Kate White Lash Maximizer. And then followed by L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Time for a little blush. I will be using L'Oreal True Match blush in shade Sable, Subtle Sable. This blush has some sheen into it, so I'm just gonna put near where I will be highlighting. And for today's highlighting, I will be using the Collection Contour Kit. Oh no, my battery is running low. Just click here. And then for my lips, I will just use Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. It's my all-time favorite. And we will finish up the face with Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. And here we have it. This is the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then turn on the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I hope you guys have a great day today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!